the M sound. M, moon, M. M sounds M as in moon. The cow jumped over the moon. M in monkey sounds M. The monkey is wearing a cap. Look at this word, map. The letter M in map makes the M sound. How to make the sound. First, press your lips together. Next, push out air through your nose to make the M sound, as in moon. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter M and make the M sound, as in moon. Click on the letter that makes the M sound. Mat. Click on the letter that makes the M sound. Milk. Let us look at some other words with the letter M that make the M sound. Click on the letter that makes the M sound. Drum. Click on the letter that makes the M sound. Gum. Click on the letter that makes the M sound. Worm.